Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get it done. I'm going to give you step-by-step details on it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it. All right, with all that being said, let's get into it. Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to drain the coolant in your car in under a minute. The first thing you want to do is take off your radiator cap. And then go under the car and unscrew your drain plug for the radiator. Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again, and thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it. Congratulations! You now know how to drain the coolant inside of your car. Yes ma'am, I'll get that order in as soon as I can. Yes ma'am, that was for 12 yes, I got that. Oh, hang on one second. Hey, you're still watching? I must have done something amazing on this video. Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. Bye, be out till next time. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, that was for 12 dildos. Got it.